Grindr, a popular dating app for the LGBTQ+ community, is unfortunately blocked in the United Arab Emirates due to the country's strict internet censorship laws. To unblock Grindr in the UAE, there are a few methods that users can try. One option is to use a virtual private network, VPN, to mask their IP address and access the app from a different location. Another method is to use a proxy server to bypass the restrictions set by the UAE government. Some users have also had success using a different SIM card from a foreign country to access Grindr while in the UAE. It's important to note that attempting to unblock Grindr in the UAE may be against the law and could result in serious consequences. Users should proceed with caution and be aware of the potential risks involved. Despite the challenges of accessing Grindr in the UAE, many users are determined to find ways to connect with others in the LGBTQ+ community. By exploring different methods and staying informed about internet restrictions, individuals can work towards unblocking Grindr and accessing the app in the UAE.